Dream car ko, of course, Civic FL Type R because of yung kulay niya and of course yung power, stock power ng Civic Type R. Yan. And then shout out, of course, thank you so much to Auto Media and follow nyo yung page ko, All About Cars, Facebook and YouTube. Salamat!
Tough long battery. Tough and long life.
Yeah.